Now, before I show you all how to make money with AI, I want to show you something most people completely overlook, and that's how to track your money, save your money, and cut the business expenses that are quietly eating away at your profit every single month. Because what's the point of making more money if you're bleeding it all out the back door? Now, stay with me because it's about to get real. Now, I run multiple income streams. That's communities, YouTube channels, affiliate income, real estate, and for a long time, I was paying for tools that I thought I needed to manage all of it. QuickBooks for finance, scheduling tools, project management software, and all these subscriptions add up every single month. Then I went all in on AI for 30 days and I realized something. A lot of the software that I'm paying for, AI can build a better version that's custom, that's free, and in minutes. Now, let me explain what I mean right now. So I have Claude up right now, and what I'm going to build is a full business dashboard. That's an income tracker, expense tracker, profit calculator, all from scratch, live. Now watch how fast I make this happen. So the prompt that I entered says, I need you to build me a business dashboard that I can use to track my monthly income and expenses. My business is called Decipher AI. Enter my income as it comes in and enter my expenses by category. I want to see my total profit automatically. I want to see which income stream is performing the best. Color-coded green if profitable and red if not. Also include an Excel spreadsheet. Build the dashboard as a visual and make it look professional and modern. Okay, and then I'm going to press this arrow right here. So while this loads, just think about what I just did. No coding, no tutorial, no tech background needed. I just described what I wanted in plain English, like I was talking to a real person. And Claude is building it right now. Most people think you need to be technical to use AI like this. You don't. You just need to know how to communicate what you want. That's it. That's the skill. I got a fully functional business dashboard with income streams, expenses, profit calculator, color coded, built in just a few minutes. Now, I also have an Excel spreadsheet. It gave me both. Okay. Now, watch this. I'm going to make it even better. So now I'm going to add profit margin percentage, best month tracker, a section that breaks down expenses by category so I can see where my money goes each month. So you see that? I just had a conversation with it like I was texting a developer on my team. I told it what I wanted. It updated everything. No starting over, no waiting, just done. Now it gets even better. So I have a receipt here, okay? Now that this is done, I can just open the Claude app on my cell phone, take a picture of the receipt, and it will automatically update the dashboard. So I'll take a picture of the receipt now. Okay, I go to photos, I upload that receipt. Now let's wait for it to finish doing what it's doing. Now it did ask some clarifying questions because this is just a random receipt that I found in the house. So it's hey, this looks like something that's personal. But I told it that it's business just so we can fill out this dashboard. Okay, so as you can see, it updated with the receipt. It broke everything down and it added it to the dashboard. So as you can see here, total expense, $130.38. It breaks everything down. It also put it inside of the Excel spreadsheet. And as you can see, the Excel spreadsheet, it has tabs for dashboard, income, expenses, monthly summary, expense track, expense breakdown, and income summary. It actually gets deeper than this. You can even connect your PayPal, your Stripe, your Cash App, however your money comes in, your bank account, however you see this thing moving forward. That's how deep it gets. So everybody talks about making money with AI. You absolutely can. And I'm going to show you how. But first, let's talk about the money you're already losing. QuickBooks. How many of you are paying for QuickBooks right now? Monthly subscription, learning curve, complexity, and then you still need an accountant to make sense of all of it during tax season. What I just built with Claude in a few minutes does the same thing. Actually, it does better because it's built for me, my business, my income streams, my expense categories, not some generic software template designed for every type of business on the planet. Mine, custom, free, built in minutes. And come tax season, instead of spending hours exporting reports and explaining my finances to an accountant, I've got a clean dashboard built for myself, every income stream, every expense, every month, organized exactly the way that I need it for my business. And I just hand it over to an accountant and I'm done. Now, think bigger than QuickBooks. Think about every tool you're paying for right now: project management software, content scheduling, finance tracking, email templates, social media planning, marketing dashboards, all of that. AI can build you a custom version for free in minutes, built specifically for how your business operates. I canceled 3 paid software subscriptions in 30 days. 3. That's money back in my pocket every month. Now, that compounds year over year. That's real money. And here's the thing nobody tells you. When you build your own process with AI, you understand it completely. No learning curve, no support tickets, no watching tutorials. You built it. You know exactly how it works. That's not just saving money. That's also saving time. That's saving stress and taking control of your business in a way that most people never do. Now, let me show you the other side, how to actually use AI to make money. Now, here's the thing. What you just watched, that dashboard, any strategies, any content creation, that's about 10% of what I actually do with AI. Now, I've been getting hundreds of messages from people in my Discord, Instagram, YouTube, asking me, for a full system. And they want to know, well, everybody wants to know how we can build these things. So I got something coming soon called the AI Business Blueprint. And I'm going to do live sessions where I walk you through everything: the prompts, the workflows, how to replace the tools you're paying for, and how to build income streams using AI, all of it. And I'm not talking about theory. This is actually real processes. The same stuff you just watched me build live is what I'm going to show you how to do. So that's coming soon. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and look out for that. And drop a comment, right? What's one tool that you're paying for right now that you think that AI could replace? I want to know. And I'll be sure to help you all out with that. See you on the next video.